Hello everyone and welcome back in the channel. If you have been wondering how can you change home location in Google Maps, you're in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to go ahead and follow up with me till the very end of this video, and let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. We need to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. Let's go ahead and search for Google Maps from there, open it, and let's make sure we have it updated to the latest version to make sure everything goes as smoothly as possible and to make sure everything works properly in the app. After the update, you can finally go ahead and open Google Maps. Wait for it to load up, and as you can see here guys, here is my home. Now if I want to change it, all I need to do is to go ahead and tap on saved in the bottom right here. Once you tap there, it will take you here. Go ahead and scroll down a little bit and then tap on labeled right here. You find home at the very top. Tap on the three dots next to home and then tap on edit home. Now drag in the map to the new place that you want to set as home. Say I want to make it here. Let's go ahead and zoom in, choose a spot and then tap right here on this blue button in the bottom. Just like that, I have changed my home location. For the second method, you can tap on add label at the bottom right here. And then you need to type in your address. Once you start typing it, it will pop up in the results right here in these suggestions. If you finally go ahead and tap on it, and then write home right here, then tap on home. And just like that, you have changed your home location again. And that is basically how can you change your home location in Google Maps. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.